In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to GitHub from the terminal. Let's start the GitHub CLI login from the terminal. First, open GitHub at github.com in your default browser and confirm your account avatar appears in the top right corner. Next, open Windows Terminal from the Start menu. Once the terminal is ready, type gh space auth space login space -- web and press enter. The terminal will then ask which protocol Git should use for this host. Now let's choose HTTPS for Git operations. Use the arrow keys to highlight HTTPS, then press enter. When the prompt authenticate Git with your GitHub credentials appears, press enter to keep the default answer of yes. The terminal will then display a one-time code and tell you to press enter to open GitHub's device page. Now let's open GitHub's device activation page. In the terminal, drag across the one-time code shown after the message. First, copy your one-time code so that the code is selected. Then press Ctrl+Shift+C to copy the selected code in Windows Terminal. After copying, press enter to open the GitHub device login page at github.com/login/device in your default browser. Now let's authorize GitHub CLI in the browser. If GitHub asks which signed-in account to use, click Continue below that account. On the device activation page, click the code field in the center of the page. Press Ctrl+V to paste the one-time code you copied earlier, then click Continue below the code field. On the Authorize GitHub CLI page, click Authorize GitHub at the bottom of the page. The browser will then display the message, "Congratulations, you're all set." Now, let's confirm the terminal is logged in. Return to Windows Terminal and wait for it to display the message, "Logged in as," followed by your GitHub username. Once that appears, type gay space auth space status and press enter. Confirm that the output lists github.com, your active account, and HTTPS as the Git operations protocol. This means GitHub CLI has reported the github.com/account as active with HTTPS configured, so GitHub commands can now use that account directly from the terminal. And that's it. You have successfully logged into GitHub from the terminal using device verification, and your session is now authenticated and ready for use. Congratulations, you're all done.